Did you know that the Ashtasiddhis, 8 supernatural powers, given by Lord Krishna are not just supernatural powers but profound spiritual secrets and guiding signs to self-realization? In the ancient yoga tradition, these siddhis are not just miraculous powers but means to reach the highest level of consciousness. In this video we will learn in detail the deeper meaning of these siddhis, their symbolism and how to proceed towards their true objective, moksha and self-realization, through meditation. Watch this mystical knowledge till the end and awaken your inner powers. Lord Krishna says, when a devotee completely controls his senses, life and mind through intense meditation and fixes his mind on me, then various divine siddhis appear before him. These siddhis develop naturally through the devotee's yogic practice and God's grace. 1. Anima Siddhi. Anima Siddhi is the divine power by which a practitioner can make his body so subtle that it becomes the size of an atom. Through this siddhi, a yogi can make his body invisible, or can get absorbed in any substance. This siddhi shows that transformation is possible in the fundamental components of energy and matter. Ancient reference. Lord Hanuman used this siddhi to enter Lanka when he made his body subtle. It is also mentioned in the Yoga Sutras of Maharishi Patanjali. Scientific view. According to modern physics, every substance consists of atoms, and if a person can control the atomic level, he can change his shape. Quantum mechanics also states that energy can be converted into different forms. 2. Mahima Siddhi. Through Mahima Siddhi, a practitioner can make his body huge. With this power, he can increase his body thousands of times and assume a huge form. This siddhi shows that through yoga practice, a person can go beyond physical limitations. Ancient reference. Lord Krishna showed his wonderful form to Arjuna by assuming the Virat Roop. Hanumanji also displayed this siddhi when he increased his size to cross the ocean. Scientific view. According to the theory of relativity, mass and energy are related to each other. If the space between the particles of the body can be controlled somehow, then the size can be increased or decreased. This concept is similar to the black hole and space expansion theory. 3. Garima Siddhi. Garima Siddhi is the power by which a practitioner can make his body extremely heavy. With this siddhi, the practitioner's body can become so heavy that no one can move it. Ancient reference. Hanuman used this siddhi when he became heavy and stuck to the earth to escape Bharata's arrow. Bhima also used this siddhi when he increased his strength to defeat his rivals. Scientific view. The study of gravity and mass in modern science can be linked to this theory. If the density of an object is increased, its weight can also increase. In quantum physics, it has been proved that matter can be transformed into different forms. 4. Laghima Siddhi. Laghima Siddhi is the power by which a practitioner can make his body extremely light. Through this siddhi, a yogi can fly in the air and be free from the force of gravity. Ancient references. There are many references to yogis and saints who could rise in the air as per their wish. The use of this siddhi is also mentioned in the life of Sri Krishna and other sages and saints. Scientific view. Concepts like anti-gravity and superconductivity in modern physics indicate the possibility of achieving this. If a person can control his mass to such a level that he becomes free from the effect of gravity, then this can be possible. 5. Prapti Siddhi. Prapti Siddhi is the divine power through which a seeker can obtain any object from anywhere. A yogi who attains this siddhi can obtain any physical object as per his wish, no matter how far it is. This power gives him the ability to manifest a physical object with his energy. Stories and historical evidence. It is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran that Lord Hanuman used this siddhi when he brought the Sanjeevani Buddhi. Getting the Sanjeevani Buddhi was an impossible task, but with his power he not only got it but also lifted the entire mountain. Scientific view. Modern science also has a theory called quantum entanglement, in which two particles remain connected to each other transcending the limits of time and space. Some scientists believe that a person with high consciousness can focus his energy in such a way that he can attract objects situated far away. 6. Prakamya Siddhi. Prakamya Siddhi is the power through which a practitioner can assume any form and change the laws of nature. A person who attains this siddhi can walk in water without drowning, fly in the sky, and transform as per his wish. Stories and historical evidence. In Srimad Bhagavat, Sri Krishna has used Prakamya Siddhi many times. He had assumed different forms with each gopi in Raslila. Similarly, in Mahabharata, Sri Krishna used this city to show Arjuna the Virat form. Scientific view. In modern science, techniques like morphing and holography are somewhat similar to this city. In biology, some creatures like octopus and chameleon can change the color and shape of their body. Can a human with higher consciousness change his biological structure as per his wish? This remains a subject of research. 7. Ishita City. Ishita City is the power through which a practitioner can gain control over the entire power. This is a very powerful city, through which a person can bring natural forces, life energy, and other elements under his control. Stories and historical evidence. Lord Parshurama was endowed with this city, who created the land of Konkan and Kerala by pushing back the sea as per his wish. Similarly, Sri Krishna used his Ishita city by lifting the Govardhan mountain on a little finger. Scientific view. Psychokinesis or telekinesis has been a subject of research in science, in which some people acquire the ability to move objects with mental power. If the mind of a seeker is extremely powerful, can he control the entire environment? This mystery remains even today. 8. Vashita City. Vashita City is the power by which a practitioner can control living beings, inanimate objects, animals, birds, nature, and even death. This city is related to self-control and complete control of cosmic energy. Stories and historical evidence. In the Mahabharata, Guru Vasishtha used this city when he inspired King Vishvamitra to control his arrogant power. Lord Krishna influenced everyone in the Kaurava assembly with his words and power. Scientific view. Hypnosis and neurological programming (NLP) have been studied in psychology, through which a person can control the mind of another person. Can a person attaining a high level of spiritual consciousness have complete control over nature and other living beings? This remains a subject of spiritual and scientific discussion. In the Srimad Bhagavata Mahapuran, 11.15.5-8, Lord Krishna tells Uddhava, Anima, Mahima, Lagima, Garima, attainment, desire, mastery, and submission are the 8 perfections. That is, these 8 siddhis are divine powers that can be attained through yoga, but their true and complete form is inherent only in Sri Krishna. He himself is the Supreme Person, and only he, who wishes to bestow these siddhis by his grace, can attain them. Through yoga and meditation, man also attains these 15 unique accomplishments. Durshravan, the power to hear from anywhere. A person who has achieved this siddhi can clearly hear sounds even from thousands of miles away. This is a profound mental power which is associated with the expansion of consciousness. Durdarshan, seeing distant events. With this siddhi, a practitioner can see events happening at any place without being present there. It makes the yogi's mental ability so strong that he gets glimpses of distant places. Manojava, instant travel by just thinking. With this siddhi, the practitioner can transport his body to any place instantly, only through the power of the mind. This siddhi liberates the practitioners of yoga from physical bondages. Kamarupa, change of form as per wish. With this siddhi, a sadhak can change into any form as per his wish. He can take the form of a young, old, a woman, or a man. Parakaya Pravesh, entering someone else's body. A yogi who achieves this siddhi can leave his soul and enter the body of another person. This is considered to be a very rare and powerful yogic siddhi. Swachta Mrityu, leaving the body at one's own will. With this siddhi, the sadhak can control his death. He can leave the body whenever he wants and be free from the cycle of rebirth. Devkanya Darshan, meeting with goddesses and apsaras. The practitioners who achieve this siddhi get to see the gods and apsaras. They are able to know the secrets of the higher worlds. Sankalp siddhi, whatever you wish for will be fulfilled. With this siddhi, the wishes of the sadhak are fulfilled immediately. His sankalp gets connected with the energy of the universe, due to which his wishes get converted into reality. Apratahat vak, whatever you say, it happens. The speech of a yogi who has achieved this siddhi is so powerful that whatever he says, it becomes true. This power is attained only by very high-level practitioners. Trikalgyan, knowledge of past, future, and present. A practitioner of Trikalgyan can clearly see all 3 time periods, past, future, and present. He can know the root cause of any event and its effect. Samadhi, being beyond pleasure and pain. In the state of samadhi, the seeker becomes free from physical and mental pain. Neither heat nor cold nor hunger nor thirst, nor any worldly pain can affect him. Parachitta Adhyan, reading others' mind. This siddhi gives the practitioner the ability to read the mind of any person. He can know what the person in front is thinking, what he wants, and what is his mental state. Agni Surya Jal Vish Stamban, control over natural forces. With this siddhi, the yogi can control fire, sun, water, and poison. He can avoid drowning in water, cannot burn in fire, and poison cannot affect him. Aprajaya, the power to be invincible. With this siddhi, no person or power can defeat the yogi. He remains invincible in any situation. Jivan Mukta, attaining salvation while being in the body. A yogi who attains this siddhi is freed from worldly bondages and reaches a state of enlightenment. He gets liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Sri Krishna says, "Anyone who worships me and meditates upon me through the practice of yoga attains in full all the perfections that I have described. But for those great souls whose sole aim is to be free from the bondage of karma and merge in me, the attainment of these siddhis can become an obstacle, because it is a waste of time. I am situated within all beings as the seer and outside as the visible. There is no difference between the external and the internal in me, because I am the unveiled, unique self.